This is Charlie Calvin reporting live from wherever this place is. This is huge. Look at this. There's my buddy Mitch, and there's Jack.
You can't fit all this into one video, that's ridiculous.
Looks like we've got a real steep thing over here.
I think there's a panel over here. You can read out their history like it's like. Yeah.
Oh yeah. History's pretty fun. I wish I paid more attention to it in class. I wonder if Mitchell's got his camcorder fixed. I mean, I've watched the videos and it's still a bit glitchy, but should be fine. Oh look, a bench! What is that stuff on the bench? It looks like rice.
Yeah, that's sad.
Oh, nice, water. I really like water.
Nice mini stream.
I like water a bunch. No, it doesn't look like...
You started recording, Charlie?
Yeah, didn't I mention it?
No, you haven't mentioned it on camera at least.
Oh yeah, I said something like, yeah, I'm gonna start recording.
Oh right. That's kind of nice, isn't it?
Yes, that's nice.
Well, I'm sure I'll try finding your channel and linking it.
I dropped a comment on one of your videos, so...
Oh, did you? I've not been getting notifications for comments yet. Maybe I'll have a look at comments after this video and I'll give you lots of replies.
Sure.
Look
Wow.
at this.
Look how massive this place is.
Huge. And during winter you can kind of see everything now that all the leaves are falling off.
Wow.
Gorgeous. Oh my god, this is a huge kind of...
This is massive. Whoa. Oh my god, that is huge.
That is amazing.
Yep, that
The dream continues down there.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Yeah, look.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, yeah.
we could somehow get close
To where?
That would be good.
Let me just zoom out real quick.
mean,
See that?
there's nothing stopping us.
If we go now, it'd be good.
There's nothing stopping us.
You could.
Let's go.
It just
Yeah?
down
Wait,
that.
guys.
Oh.
The panel.
History.
Come on, let's go read, guys.
Jack, you love history, right?
Yeah, I'm falling into it. By the way, I need to do the run of someone I want to know.
Clearly. I like being on these episodes. Gives me something to do. I'm still not over my sickness yet, but hopefully I can recover soon.
Portland Park, known locally as the Quarries, was once an important source of limestones for both building material and lime burning. Stone from the quarry was used in the construction of the Houses of Parliament.
Really?
The park was a gift from the Duke of Portland and for more than 100 years has been used as a leisure park. With a bandstand, I think?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bandstand.
Children's play area, bowling green,
A what?
and even a rifle range.
Even a rifle range?
Recently, it evolved into a local nature reserve and a site of special scientific interest due to its abundance of flora and fauna.
I know someone who would love a rifle range.
Who?
Is it you?
No, I'm not into guns. I know someone who does though.
I don't know, we can go look down that stream.
I was about to say, you didn't strike me as the type of person to like guns.
We could go down
Ooh.
the stream.
There's a railway crossing. I love railway crossings.
Oh, I thought it was a stream, bro.
Well, at least we found out what Mitchell likes.
Yeah. Hey, history and not guns as much as I'm guessing the person he knows, but
Yeah. God. Oh my god, he's...
thing is, I prefer the olden time weapons.
Yeah.
But we know our friend here likes crossbows.
I'm more of a sword type person.
Depends what type you're referring to. Just how many.
I like claymores.
Makes sense.
Claymores are nice.
Big,
Pretty-
short.
Yeah, they're pretty big. Like, would be funny to own one, but like, I know a lot.
But I don't know if you'd be able to hold it. Well, you could, but you would have to hold it a bit of it over your shoulder.
Yeah, I don't think I'm strong enough to hold it, or really strong enough to own one. Oh God. Oh. This is a bit awkward. Wow.
It's mostly abandoned, so.
Kind of looks nice from a distance. Oh, oh, oh! Look at that beautiful view.
Amazing, isn't it?
I don't know if that's a church or something.
It
That is
yeah,
a church.
it looks like a church. Yeah.
That is. Isn't it? Everything's humongous here.
God, you're right. Seems we're at the perfect lighting to get some really good shots. I might include some in my video, just like some photo shots.
Yeah.
It'd be fun.
I should start including the captions and the photos in my videos.
Yeah, I made note of your kind of glitches in my little footage.
This light is green, by the way.
Huh?
This light is green.
Oh, right, yeah, from earlier. Well, only one thing to do.
Those trains that come on this railway. So I am quite confused with how. Maybe it's just a malfunction.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just something malfunction.
Well, I'd assume they'd still keep it in use if trains do come down here. In the rare chance that they do.
Apparently there was a stream before.
Yeah, that's what I want to go explore before the end of this video. Because again, I did say this is massive and it's not going to be big enough for a single video. I'm not
Okay,
taking no
you.
chances like episode 2 when that was 20 minutes long. Jeez.
Well, my footage is already on 7 minutes, so we've
My
been here
footage
a
is
while.
already on 11 minutes coming up.
Wow.
So,
We're gonna have some real jam-packed videos here.
yep. We're just going to hope you don't feel sick anymore, but at least it looks like you're improving. You seem to be getting better.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Not
by a large margin.
not by a large margin, but
No.
you know.
Yeah, that's fine.
At least you were able to join us this time.
Yeah.
You're able to join us, and that's completely good
Been-
for us.
Been caught up with studies a lot too.
Yeah, I think all of us have really.
Yeah, with the deadline and everything, I'm kind of prioritizing a lot.
Fair enough.
This is real muddy territory.
Let's see this river.
Sure. Oh god.
Stuff like that.
Mitchell nearly tripped.
Oh.
If I'm not careful, I'm going to be the one who's tripping next. God, this is really muddy. Hey,
Alright, man.
yeah, I'm all good.
You sure? That's pretty violent cop.
Yeah.
Seems a bit busy, man.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yeah, don't worry about me.
No problem, man.
Look at that really cool stream. It looks a bit dirty, I won't lie.
Just just know that this is not suitable for you to jump in, Charlie. I know your thing with water. All right?
Oh man.
Oh, come on, you wouldn't want to jump in that.
Yeah, you're right. It does look pretty murky.
Yeah. Not suitable. Let's continue going up.
Where does the water lead?
Well, it's leading down here.
It seems to be going downstream to
So there.
there, but then
That's
there's
not just flooding everything.
no. That's just there's no outlet. It's just
Well,
a
it's going in somewhere. So. Maybe it's going in the ground.
yeah, perhaps. Makes me wonder. I wonder how the water's kind of coming down. There's got to be some kind of water supply further up. Oh, sure, coming.
It's a pretty big bit.
It is actually. Oh my god, Jackie, you gonna try and cross the...
No, come
I
on.
said I would not.
No, you should not. There's no chance any of us are crossing this.
I'm not standing here. I mean, you would try to cross it, but no.
Yeah, I probably would.
Go.
Yeah?
Just don't fall on it. This should not.
Yeah, last thing I want is to...
Look at this archway
in.
that this tree's forming.
Oh! Oh. This is really steep. I shouldn't have worn these today. Oh,
Pretty cool, isn't it?
yeah.
Wow.
How the hell do I get further from here? Kind of screwed myself over. I've kind of really screwed myself over here. Alright, let's, I'm gonna cut the footage and re-ping it when I'm back with the others. Yeah, compared to everything else, it looks, I wouldn't say abnormal, but...
My battery's been halved, and we've been recording for 15 minutes for me, which means I think we should probably head back up and do an outro for our videos.
Yeah,
Careful getting back up now.
let's do that.
And remember, it's slippery.
It's really slippery. I'm gonna just cut the footage again. Sorry, just a bit slow.
Extremely cold.
There's my hand.
My hand's freezing, feel it.
Oh yeah, no. Bring your fingers that I'll probably the corners first.
Oh god, you are cold.
Oh, you're so warm, Charlie. You just have your hand inside your pocket.
Yep.
What about your hand with your phone?
I don't know, you can feel that if you want.
I mean, this one's kind of about the same. Same temperature. Oh god. No one slipped on that one. Let's go up here. Let's try and get one more. I
What?
know what we should post.
Yep, episode 7.
7 of Periculum.
Episode 7 of Periculum, and
And this is only just part 1 of how many, I don't know.
I'll probably be
Of
doing
exploring Portland Park. Portland Park. That sounds like a nice name, doesn't it?
it does.
It's like a really nice name for a park.
Kind of has a regal tone to it.
Yeah. Alright, well.
Well, thanks for watching my first episode from the Charlie's Footsteps channel. Be sure to like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye bye.